Hello guys, good news for everyone. Laravel installer updated with Auth Scaffolding. Laravel added a new auth flag to create a new project with the authentication scaffolding. If you already installed a Laravel installer, you need to update it with Composer Global Update Laravel Installer. I have already installed in my PC, so let's check the version. Now ready to go create a Laravel project with Auth Scaffolding. Project created. Let's run migration. Sorry, we need to first set database in env file. Let's set up it. Let's run migration. Migration successful. Let's in browser. You can see here UI not looks good, so we need to install npm first.